Dear listener, this is Wasim from ittechbd.com. Today I am going to show you how to access shared folder from workstation to Windows Server 2016. Before main server, inside I create a folder ittechbd.info and I share for all users. Because if company have 100 employee, so have many department, so which for HR department, accounts department and planning department, operation department, so for every department, for create one folder in main server and share this folder for account folder, share for account user, HR folder share for HR department user, then planning department folder share for planning department user. Like this, how many department, then like this create folder and share. So I created one folder only ittechbd.info. So how can you access from your workstation or your client PC? Now I am going to show you. Then you anything access from this share folder. If you can make any document and you can upload to main server this shared folder. So how can you access? Now I am going to show you. Go to run. You can two way you can access this share folder, by server IP address or by name. So first you give 2 backslash, then our main server IP address 192.168.137.101. then you click OK. Then you see come ittechbd.info, this shared folder. This is by default server we share it. I share it main server, this one. Then you click, see this folder inside have designing info, software development info, web development info. So this is I create one folder and sharing this one. If more folder I share, then showing here. This folder I give access this user, then this user when write IP address, then click OK, then come this folder. But if I do not give access this user this folder, then he when go run and write IP address not come this folder. So account department user only find here accounts in info folder. So HR department find only HR department folder. So I give all user access this folder. That's why now I log in and access here by IP address, press, then come this folder. Also you can access by name. You go to run, then here you write server name, our server name, double backslash, our server name main server, this one, you see main server. So two way you can access, by IP address, main server IP address, by server name. Then click OK. Then see same way came shared folder. Like this way you can access share folder. So this is very easy and simple. Later I will show you how to share. For example, if you HR department, so your folder come here. By how can we connect here and drive? I shared one folder like this. Your drive under come here. Then you no need go to run, then IP address, then click OK, then access. Only you click like this, then come folder. When you shared folder connect here, then you can access. Later I will show you. So if you feel any problem, please comment me. I will try to solve your problem. If you benefited from this tutorial, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.